Hi, I'm Josie and this is Hope, and today we're going to show you how to clean your dog's ears at home. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a towel. I make a solution of half distilled water, half organic apple cider vinegar with the mother, and put it in a tip bottle. Also for maintenance, I like to use a roller bottle with lavender oil, geranium oil, and melaleuca oil diluted with fractionated coconut oil. For the exact recipe, please feel free to contact me or check the files section of the page. So this is what we'll do. First, check the ear for any extra hair that's coming out of the ear canal. It should look nice and hair-free. With the ear flap down or back, put the solution of water and vinegar into the ear, massage the ear, and dry. If a lot of dirt came out, repeat. Put the solution into the ear, flood the ear, that means pour it until the water comes out, massage the ear again, and dry. There shouldn't be any odor or wax or any colored debris in your dog's ear. If there is, that could be a sign that there could be some trouble with the ear. It should be nice, clean, and pink, just like that. I like to use this remedy as maintenance to help keep the ear clean and free of any issues. So you're going to take your roller bottle and roll it on the ear flap, just on the flap, never ever ever down your dog's ear. Massage it in. There's just this tiny amount, and that's enough. Always remember, when you are using essential oils with your dogs, make sure that you use good quality, highly therapeutic essential oils. Otherwise, you could cause unnecessary issues and problems for your dog, and we certainly don't want that. So I hope you learned today how to keep your dog's ears clean and smelling good.